Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch realistic. To begin, focus on foundational drawing principles. Master perspective to create depth and accurate proportions for believable forms. Dedicate time to observing real objects, noting their unique features and how light interacts with them. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your hand-eye coordination and artistic perception over time. Next, mastering light and shadow is crucial for realism. Always identify your light source first. This dictates where highlights fall and shadows are cast. Employ a wide spectrum of tonal values, from the brightest whites to the darkest blacks, to create contrast. Smoothly blend these transitions using tools like a blending stump or tissue, ensuring your sketch achieves a convincing three-dimensional quality and depth. Achieving realistic texture and detail brings your sketch to life. Vary your line weight and mark making to convincingly render different surfaces, from rough wood to smooth glass. Add fine details thoughtfully, focusing on key areas to enhance realism without making the drawing appear cluttered. Techniques like cross-hatching or stippling can effectively represent intricate surface patterns and subtle variations. Finally, accurate proportions and a grasp of anatomy are indispensable. Carefully measure and compare the sizes and relationships of all elements within your drawing. For figures or complex objects, a basic understanding of their underlying structure and anatomy ensures a believable form. Always begin with light construction lines as guides, refining them before committing to your final, detailed rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.